Hello, this is the Kumar Gaurav. Today I will discuss about the filter. So I am starting basically first the auto filter. So for to write the code, I'm just going to developers and for at first sheet 1 to write the code for auto filters. Range A1 to E1 dot auto filter field 1 criteria 1 equal to fountain. Then operator Excel or then criteria 2 equal to gel, and I'm going here, I'm just putting command. Can you see the filter has been applied here? Auto filters, there is only showing the types, the fountain and gel. So this way we can apply the auto filter using VBA. Now we want to remove the duplicates. For that I'm just going here, and to remove the duplicates range A1 A sales rows dot count 1 int Excel up dot row. Now dot copy, and now putting the destination at end, range M1. Now range M1 dot current region dot remove duplicates columns 1 header yes, Excel yes. Now I'm just going here and just erase at first and then click on command button. Can you see the remove has been duplicate for the column A. Now I want to apply the text to column here. In text to columns there is the here and data on particular column. There is the delimiter is space designation. I'm designation putting here G1. Data types is delimited and consecutive delimiters is yes, space is yes. So for that I'm writing code here. Range A1 A sales rows dot count 1 dot end excel up dot row dot select. Now selection dot current region dot text to columns here designation range given, then data type Excel delimited, then consecutive delimiter meter equal to yes, then space equal to yes. Now I'm running here, I'm getting errors here. Designation destination, not a designation, destination is will be here, destination, then data types, then now it is and then Excel, yes, Excel yes, range dot a1 rows dot columns in Excel dot select, selection dot current region text to column, destination is the range given here, and data type delimited, Excel delimited, and then consecutive delimiters is XLS, then it is good. Can you see right now it is the working, and it has been separated by the space here work as a data type is delimited, so then consecutive delimiters is the yes, space is yes, is delimiters is space, there is space basically the particular word, so her data has been separated. Now I want to the data validation, to apply data validation already have been applied. I'm just going to erase it, remove the duplicate, data validation, clear data or data validation, then just click here, and now I'm writing the code for data validation. Dim RNG as a range, then set RNG equal to range A1 A cells rows dot count comma 1 dot end Excel up dot row. Now it I applied the here, and then I want to the remove the data validation, apply to data validation, then range dot validation range. I want to apply on C2, then validation dot validation dot add Excel data list, then alert style operators in formula 1 equal to then what is the formula will be rng dot address. Then it has been applied and now it will work. Now I'm putting the cursor here. Can you see data validation has been applied, or all the values is showing here. And you do not want to the header, then just put here from starting to A2. Then it will be, at first we have to erase this applied data validation here, clear, then erase this one, then apply. Then can you see header on a time headers has been moved here, and only the showing the list of types of the pen. Now I want to the advanced unique filter. To apply the unique filter here, I'm just unique filters. For that I'm writing code here, advanced filter, d rng as range set rng equal to range A1 A sales rows dot count dot 1 dot end excel of dot row. Now range has been selected. Now onto the apply range advanced filter action Excel filter copy type, then copy to range equal to copy to range. There will be and M1 range M1, then unique Excel, yes. Now has been applied and now just running. Can you see there is the all the item is unique and apply the filters, advanced filters. And now I want to the advanced filters with criteria. This is the criteria on the basis we want to the apply. So how I will do is look on this. D rng as range set rng equal to range A1 A1 dot current region. Now apply the advanced filters action. Here filter copy, then criteria range equal to criteria range will be here on range G1 dot G1 dot current region, then copy to range equal to on where range M1 now has been applied, and now I'm just putting this. Can you see the advanced filter has been applied? All the data has been filtered here and showing the here. So this way we can apply the filters, advanced filter, and also remove the duplicacy, and this